Come on up. Up the ladder. Good. Down the ladder. Do your hurdles. 1, 2, 3. High jump. Good. Turn around. Up, up. Up, up. Good. High paw. Down. Over. Both. Balance. Good. Here. Come through the hoop. Good. Down. Down. Get in your car. Get in your car. Turn around. Sit. Sit. Good. Shake. Come on out. Come over here. Waffle. Play dead kitty. Bang. Dead kitty. And Shamu jump. Shamu. Yay. That's very good, Waffle. And that is Waffle the warrior cat with his 25 cat tricks, which we are attempting to break the Guinness World Record of most cat tricks in 1 minute. Yay for Waffle! Huh. You did really good. You look good too, with your warrior outfit.